attacked me. And then when I tried to take a picture of him, he broke my phone. Because he was trying to hit on me and I wouldn't talk to him. And he got mad about it. And he cracked my phone all up and attacked me. No, I don't know him from anything. I just told him no. Would you be a witness if I call the police on him?
I can't be a witness because they'll kill you in Memphis. Where you from?
I'm from Memphis. I was born and raised here. No, they do this because people like you watch and see that and you don't do nothing about it. That's why. That's why. Didn't I just say, I never know when I'm going to need to run down to your house because I get myself into all kinds of scrapes.
Now hit that motherfucker again. In the square. Yeah, put me on, baby.
I am.
Put him on.